It's not every day one gets to hone our craft on a vintage post-war flat twin like this, the BMW R69 with a Steib S500 sidecar. Built in Munich in 1960, this highly desired collectible is over 60 years old, a strong testament to how well engineered it was. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. The BMW R69S is long considered to be one of the most collectible bikes in history. Powered by the upgraded version of the M268 power unit, the M268/3 had 42 horses at 7,000 RPM. The Steib S500 sidecar is equally desirable and was built by Joseph Steib Sr., who began making sidecars in 1928. This vintage BMW R69S was brought in for a Vehicle Reconditioning Program, which includes several restorative components and our signature detailing program. The client had requested to retain the existing paintwork on the tank, headlamp housing, and the front and rear fenders, so we began with our multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process. Working on the black paintwork, we eliminated the swirls, oxidation, and holograms that were evident through the pre-inspection process, with extra care taken on the pinstriping. Once the paintwork is refined to its maximum brilliance and clarity, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps. The coachwork detailing expands to the bike's frame, absorbers, exhaust, brakes, wheels, fork, and the lighting. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. We're very blessed to have the opportunity to work on special projects like these for our clients. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.